Hey, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you what I'm expecting from dogs and how to claim it. We just got a new update. If you see here, 15 August, today's 15 August, we just got a new update that shares how much supply we're getting, the community is getting, everyone is getting. I've shared only once when it came out. As soon as it came out, I think the next day I shared dogs on my socials. I didn't share, when I saw everyone is promoting it, then I was like, no, it might not bring a lot of value, because anything that's being promoted by everyone knows about it, or everyone wants to dump it. There will be less buyers but more of people that's selling it. That's the fact. A lot of people compare this with Notecoin. I never opened a Notecoin app. A lot of my followers, I hardly saw anyone talking about Notecoin back then. There were very limited people in Notecoin. It was one of the first ones. There was bull run going on. Now the market condition is a lot worse, and a lot of people do not want to risk it. Okay, this is why I'm just going to give you a rough idea what I'm expecting the price could be. We will go see in pre-markets. I have to use VPN because in the UK I can't use OKX, I can't use, if you see read here, I can't use Bitcat, I can't use Get.io. It's just giving me a sign, your region is not supported, this and that. But at least I can see a dog's point price here. This supply is fake. The pre-market is a big scam. They just manipulate the price to show you something different, because the supply they show you is, I think, 1 billion or 10 billion. This is all bullshit. You need to understand, if the price is 0.004 on here, you could expect it to be on the real exchange 0.005 or less. Maybe first day we get a spike and all that, but when everyone start dumping their tokens, it will change. In this video I'm going to share with you more details. There's a lot of things coming up slowly and gradually. If you're not following my socials, the link is going to be in the description, Linktree link. Open that, you will see all my socials, you can follow them. If you haven't watched my Bitcoin update yesterday, do watch that. Okay, let's discuss about the price. I've discussed already what I'm expecting from price. If you do quick math, okay, let's do quick math and I will share with you what I'm expecting from the price to do. So let's say there's a 550 billion supply, the supply of it. I'm not gonna put all the zeros, it doesn't make sense. And I will go current price. The market cap it shows is 2.2 billion, and that's quite a lot for a meme coin that's just coming out and a lot of freebies in it. It's quite a lot to expect. Okay, more realistic approach sorry, will be not even this. I mean, this can be expected. 550 million, we can get that because it's listing in big exchanges. If it lists in Binance or something, you might able to expect, I think the price could be 0.001 to 0.002. 1 billion. It's a lot to ask from a fresh meme coin that everyone is looking to dump it. And the big thing they announced is you have to pay gas fees. The gas fees, how you can pay gas fees, there's few things. I'm just gonna open the group and share the details with you. 1 second. How they're going to allocate this is 81%, 81.5%. Will go to the community, 73 to us, the Telegram community. It's just all messed up. All right, don't focus on that. You just want to focus what you're going to get. The supply is 550 billion. It's a meme coin token. So what they're trying to say is we don't promise any value. It is what it is. It's gonna be what it is. So you have 3 exchanges coming. No Binance is promised. So this is why I think it's gonna be low. The value is gonna be low if they do not support Binance or something like this. I don't use OKX, I don't use Bybit, I don't use any other wallet. Like, yeah, it's limited. It's limited. The price 500 million is a lot to ask as well. So based on 500 million, you can expect the price to be 0.001, which is not so bad. Is a freebie, but a lot of people might not claim it. If there is a limited time to claim it, there will be less supply in the market, because what can happen is, so you can start selling 20th, but you can start claiming by tomorrow 16 August, you can start claiming. You need stars to claim it, or you need tone in the gas fees. So I'm going to share with you, because I haven't gone through that process. The claiming will happen tomorrow. So if I Again, I will make another video tomorrow. Most probably I'll try after claim. So for that, you probably have to subscribe, and I'm gonna bring more content with you, more things to explain, give you facts what I think, because I'm not one of those guys that will give you a number. It's gonna be $1. No, it doesn't work that way. Okay, so the average amount of Doge is 9,500 per user. Our distributor says it is trying to explain. 53 million users joined the board, 42 are eligible for the airdrop, 42. So they have taken 10 million people out of the gate. 10 million is gone, you're not getting it. While the crypto is fun, you can read it yourself. Anyways, let's go to the game, launch it, and see where we stand. I did connect my Ton, the wallet inside the Telegram. It just didn't, I don't know why it's asking me to have a Ton keeper still. We have to join this if you want to, you don't have to. And Ton keeper, I have installed it, I have not done anything. What I'm going to do is create new wallet. Password I just set 000, so you guys can see it as well if you want to do anything with my password. Okay, that's pretty much it. I don't know what it wants from me now because I can only claim tomorrow. So we will go back and see what happens right here. You can get star, or most probably the best option is get Ton coins for gas fees. You can get Ton coin for probably any exchange, just withdraw it. Yes, you have to pay gas fee there, you have to pay gas fee here. The thing here is a lot of people will be left out if they do not have money for the gas fee. That's where maybe some people will take time to claim and to be able to sell it. So you could, because they want to see how much is valued at first. So if you're quick enough, if you take the risk, claim it, and then go sell it first before anyone else sells it, you're good. You make money and say bye to it and go find the next opportunity. This is one of the scenarios you can do. So right now, I would not suggest anyone to gamble in pre-market. It's not worth it. Anything that's given out a lot and is viral, it's not worth it. It's simple as that. It's not gonna give you a lot of money. Hamster, I've been telling everyone, watch when the dog, if, let's hope, I have 17,000 token. If they good money, well and good. I've only promoted once, as I said before. I didn't even promote it once. I just shared. You can go check how old is your Telegram account. That's all I did. I never shielded, just because when I see everyone doing the same thing, it's just not worth it. Okay, you want to be selective, focused. You want to find something where not everyone is promoting it. Okay, if everyone is doing it, then it's not amazing deal. Have a good day, guys. I'll see you next video. Bye.